Hey everyone, welcome back to Geography with Ria. In today's video, we are going to explore an exciting part of oceanography, the relief of ocean. Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the ocean and how the ocean floor is structured? We will be discussing the major features of the ocean floor, including continental shelf, trenches, mid-ocean ridge, and more. This is a key topic for the UGC NET Geography exam, so stay tuned and let's dive right into it. Before we jump into different features, let's quickly define ocean relief. The terms refer to the physical features of the ocean floor, much like how we have mountains, plains, and valley on land. These features vary across different parts of the ocean and have formed due to tectonic activity, erosions, and sediment deposition over millions of years. Now, let's look at this feature one by one. First up, we have the continental shelf. This is the part of the continent that is submerged underwater. It's typically a shallow, gently sloping area and is an extension of the land mass into the ocean. The key characteristics of this feature is the shallow water, usually up to 200 meters deep, rich in marine life and resources like oil and gas. The importance of this feature is most of the world fisheries are located here. Economic importance due to natural resources. After the continental shelf comes to the continental slope. This makes the true boundary between the continent and the ocean basin. It is much deeper than the shelf and lead down to the deep ocean. The key characteristics of ocean slope includes steep incline with a depth ranging from 200 to 3000 meters. It formed by tectonic activity often prone to underwater landslides. The importance of this oceanic feature marks the end of the continental crust and the beginning of oceanic crust. Sediment from the continental slide down to the ocean floor through this slope. Next, we have the abyssal plains, which are some of the flattest and most featureless region on the earth. These plains are found at the depth between 3000 to 6000 meters. The key characteristics of abyssal plain are extremely flat and deep. It covered by layers of fine sediment that have settled over millions of years. The importance of this feature is it supports various marine organisms living in the deep sea, and it is the key area for deep sea exploration and research. Next, one of the most dramatic features of the ocean relief is the oceanic trench. These are long, narrow, and extremely deep depressions formed where tectonic plates collide. For example, the marine trench is the deepest part of the world's ocean. The key characteristics of ocean trenches is its depth, which extends around 11,000 meters in some cases, like the Mariana Trench. Formed by subduction, where one tectonic plate moves beneath once. The importance of these oceanic features is that these stretches are important for understanding tectonic activity, and they are also home to some of the most extreme and unique marine life. Let's move on to mid-oceanic ridges. These are underwater mountain ranges that form where tectonic plates are moving apart. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a greatest example of this. The underwater mountain chain extending for thousands of kilometers formed by volcanic activity and magmas rise from beneath the earth crust. The importance of mid-oceanic ridges is these ridges play a most role in sea floor spreading, which creates new oceanic crust. They are also a site for hydrothermal vents which support unique ecosystem. Lastly, let's quickly cover two major features. These are the submarine canyons and seamounts. Submarine canyons are the steep-sided valley that cut through the continental shelf and slope. They are often extensions of river system from land. On the other hand, sea mounts are underwater mountains that do not reach the surface. They are often volcanic in origin and can support rich biodiversity. Both features are very significant for marine ecosystem and can also affect ocean currents. So that's an overview of the relief ocean. We are covered everything from the continental shelf to oceanic trenches, mid-oceanic reefs, and even submarine canyons and seamounts. Understanding these features is very crucial for anyone, as they form the foundation of oceanography. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Geography with Ria. I will be back with more oceanography content soon. So stay tuned. Subscribe to Geography with Ria for more geography lessons and UGC Net